If we need anything else like information, we use internet to gather the information. Moreover, if we need images, what do we do? Of course, we'll start searching it on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and each to get the images into our devices, and we can use these images as personally. When it comes to public, I mean commercially, we have no right to use these images. If we use the image without following the rules in an video tutorial, blog, image, misusing the images each, Google or respective owner send you a copyright issues. To say it simply, when we use any copyright image in video and upload that video on YouTube or respective video owner send you an copyrighted issues to remove their video. We have to delete the video within 48 hours of time, otherwise YouTube will surely delete or remove video. If we cross the rules on YouTube, there may be a chances of ban your YouTube account. So that's why I am here to help you find free images without copyright issues. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I am going to show you the top 5 awesome websites to source free images, no copyright issues. Number 1, Pexels. Pexels is one of the top most best sites which provides free stock photos, which almost covers all the categories like nature, bikes, cars, music, technology, each. Fulfilled with all features with a high resolution photos and easy to download with custom size by tapping the down arrow button beside the download option. Free for personal and commercial uses on anywhere. Number 2, Pixabay. Pixabay is the best website to download free stock images, even free videos, which almost covers all the categories. High resolution photos and easy to download by create an account. Pixabay allows to search photos, images, vector graphics, illustrations. We can access all this from a single site, Pixabay. Number 3, Unsplash. Unsplash is the best website to download free stock images, which almost covers all the categories. High resolution photos and easy to download without viewing the image by placing cursors on the right side of the image to see the download button. Number 4, PicJumbo. PicJumbo is the best website to download free stock images, which almost covers all the categories. High resolution photos and easy to download. Easy to search the images by selecting the categories of image you wish to download. We can access all the categories and latest and popular images on the site from homepage. Number 5, Free Range Stock. Free Range Stock is the best website to download free stock images, which almost covers all the categories. High resolution photos and easy to download with custom size by create an account. Free Range Stock allows to search photos or illustrations. Thank you so much for watching this video. In that video, some useful copyright-free websites have been shared with you. I hope it will help you. If you have any question, just simply leave them into comment. I will reply as soon as possible. If you found this video informative, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in upcoming video. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe.